digging into Nvidia specifically, the levels, and kind of how to think about that and play that. I mean, I think people are always surprised when there's a correction from the top end of the range, although they shouldn't be. But now we have a pretty interesting opportunity here.
I mean, NVIDIA, like, again, I think the most important thing is the behavioral component. Like, for people who don't know anything about markets, but they all own NVIDIA, which are actually talk about a lot of hockey parents. They all talk to me about NVIDIA. Hey, where are you going to sell it? Where do you own it? It's like, look at the risk range, dude. But like, this is full. It's just like in Canada, it's called Lotto 649. It's like the Lotto. Like, people are buying weekly options or doing all this crazy shit. But the fact of the matter is that Nvidia is the only stock going all the way back to Cisco in the internet bubble, which is 20 whatever 4 years ago, to trade like in moving monkey terms, and this is how they're taught to think about markets, which is nonsensical. It over 100% above its 200-day moving monkey. So the extension on this thing is unprecedented. The market cap's unprecedented. The participation in weekly options and everything I just said, from Tom, Dick, and Harry to your dog owning it, is unprecedented. So you have to be very mindful of that risk range. So again, I already said where the levels were. To break immediate term trade support, Jonesy, would be a big problem for Nvidia. I wouldn't say anything that I'd say. If it does, okay. I already said, what are we looking for? Higher highs, higher lows, higher all-time highs in those all-time highs. Write that down. If it makes a lower high versus, again, if the risk range is below 135, because that would be the all-time high, and you break immediate term trade support, which is 109, then Nvidia could have a much broader drawdown. But just to go down for a couple days because people don't know what they're doing. I see it all the time. I mean, I'm at a hockey tournament. Don't forget.